This one-bedroom/one-bath condo is one you want to see. Great floor plan that includes a large sunroom. Perfect for sitting room or a home office. You won't find anything that offers amenities like this property and at this price point. These include large resort pool with cabanas, fitness, volleyball, pickelball and of course, the golf course and practice range. One club is a short ride to the Gulf of Mexico and conveniently located to shopping and dining. This property offers something for everyone. This property would make a great home, second home or investment property. Both short and long-term rentals are allowed. At this price, it won't last long, so schedule your private showing today.